Welcome to my Advanced Database Management System course. In this section, we discuss about SQL Server additions, features, advanced analytics, query optimization, integration with Microsoft ecosystem. Let's enjoy. SQL Server is a relational database management system, RDBMS, developed by Microsoft. It is widely used in enterprise environments for managing and storing data, supporting various types of applications and workloads. Here's an overview of SQL Server. 1. Editions. SQL Server is available in different editions, including Enterprise Edition, Standard Edition, and Express Edition, each catering to different use cases and workloads. The Enterprise Edition offers the most comprehensive set of features, including high availability, advanced analytics, and business intelligence capabilities. Features. High availability. SQL Server provides features such as always-on availability groups and failover clustering to ensure high availability and data redundancy, minimizing downtime and ensuring continuous access to data. Scalability. It supports vertical and horizontal scalability, allowing users to scale up or scale out their databases to handle increasing workloads and data volumes. Security. SQL Server offers robust security features, including data encryption, authentication, authorization, and auditing, to protect sensitive data from unauthorized access and breaches. Business intelligence. It includes built-in business intelligence (BI) features such as SQL Server Reporting Services (SSRS), SQL Server Analysis Services (SSAS), and SQL Server Integration Services (SSIS) for data analysis, reporting, and integration. Advanced analytics. SQL Server supports advanced analytics capabilities, including in-database analytics, machine learning services, and integration with R and Python, enabling users to derive insights and make data-driven decisions. Query optimization. It includes query optimization techniques such as indexing, query execution plans, and statistics to improve query performance and minimize resource utilization. Developer tools. SQL Server provides a range of developer tools and APIs, including SQL Server Management Studio (SSMS), SQL Server Data Tools (SSDT), and .NET Framework libraries to facilitate database development, debugging. Integration with Microsoft ecosystem. SQL Server integrates closely with other Microsoft products and services, such as Visual Studio, Azure, Power BI, and Office 365, providing seamless interoperability and enhanced capabilities for data. Platform support. SQL Server runs on Windows operating systems and is available for both on-premises and cloud deployments. It is also supported on Linux-based platforms, expanding its reach and flexibility for diverse environments. Licensing. SQL Server is a commercial product, and licensing costs vary depending on the edition, deployment model, on-premises or cloud, and licensing model, per core or per user device. Microsoft offers various licensing options and pricing tiers to accommodate different budgets and requirements. Support and community. SQL Server has a large and active community of users, developers, and administrators who contribute to forums, user groups, and online communities. Microsoft provides comprehensive support services, including documentation, technical support, and training resources to assist users in maximizing the value of SQL Server. Thanks for watching the Advanced Database Management System lesson. Hope you enjoy the lesson. To learn more about Database Management System, please check the next lesson. Never stop learning. Thanks once again to enjoy the lesson.